Hi, I'm Dr. Burkenstock, owner of Skin Body Health in New Orleans, Louisiana and Mandeville, Louisiana, where our two clinics reside. We're also licensed in Florida as well as Alabama, where we do a lot of extravaganzas, beauty parties, art shows, and the like. Nationally, we can take care of you through Zoom or some other conference call. So we're here to help you, and we're always pleased to serve you. As most of you know, I cover anti-aging, DNA weight loss, skin DNA, which helps us custom blend a lifelong pattern of treatments, topicals, and supplements so that your skin ages the very best possible based on your DNA. A little further tonight, we're going to be talking about Brotox. And no, that wasn't a misspeak. B-R-O-T-O-X. Well, what is Brotox? Because it sounds certainly a little bit different from Botox. Brotox is Botox for men. This is a new trend we've been seeing grow pretty much over the last 10 years, but really taken on a full hedge in the last 5 years. And as we're coming out of this pandemic, men are just pushing the ladies out of the chair, wanting to look better and feel better. So we applaud them. We're glad that the men are finally taking better care of themselves. So we're seeing men come in for their hormone regulation for andropause, which is similar to ladies' menopause, when the male stamina goes down, and we're able to get them feeling back with vitality and stamina. We're also seeing them come in the skin department, where we're treating them with Botox and fillers and turning back the sands of time. When we talk about a skin regimen for gentlemen, we try to make it as simple as possible, but something that is still effective. Without further ado, I want to make sure I remind you guys, at Dr. Burkenstock Skin Body Health, we do have a YouTube channel. We've been on the YouTube channel and giving webinars for over 2 years. So if you've missed any of our past webinars on anti-aging, reading food labels, nutrition, diet, weight loss, skin care, hair restoration, hormones, please go to the YouTube channel or our Facebook page, Dr. Burkenstock Skin Body Health, and you can see there forever any of our prior YouTube videos. Please like and share. When you like and share, any gentleman tonight will get $50 off of Brotox, and that's good for the next 2 months. If you're out of state and you'd like a treat, the first 5 shares from the gentleman will receive a bottle of triple exfoliant cleanser. This is one of our custom formulations for the men. You can use it at the sink or in the shower. Very simple. Pull it on, rub it in a little bit, rinse it off. And because it's got beta acids and alpha exfolic acids, your skin actually turns over, and it enhances cell turnover even better than the myth that a razor turns over cells. And it really helps the skin turn over and build new elastin and new collagen, which keeps you looking younger. The 2 other simple products, Ageless Duo A and Ageless Duo B, you put a couple of drops in your hand at night, mix them together and put them on. It's got a retinol based product in it, so that's sort of like a vitamin A that turns back, you got it, the sands of time. It also helps remove some of the age spots and enlarged pores that we get over the years. It's got some whiteners and brighteners in it as well, so it just kind of helps that skin tone become more even. So a very simple skincare line for the guys. Triple exfoliant cleanser when you're in the shower or in the morning when you're washing your face. Ageless Duo A and B, 3 or 4 drops of each. Place it in the hand, rub, and apply at night before you go to bed. Couldn't be more simpler, and you will definitely notice a great improvement in your skin. That little package of the cleanser and Ageless Duo A and B normally retails for $130 on our website store, skinbodyhealth.com. For the next month, it'll be 20% off. So basically, it'll be around $119. I'd love to get you started on it. I feel sure you'll see a significant difference in your skin, and a little goes a long way. So again, please like and share us, our YouTube channel, Dr. Burkenstock Skin Body Health. We're also on TikTok Instagram, and we'd love to see you there as well. So we have a gentleman tonight. He's going to be kind enough to let us demonstrate Brotox on him. This gentleman has been a client of ours and has done Botox and has really enjoyed it over the last few years. So I would like to bring on Mr. Paul now.
Thank you.
Hey, how you doing tonight?
Good.
Good, good, good. So Paul, is there anything you'd like to share with us about Botox? How have you been liking it when you do it?
Well, my wife encouraged me to try it a few years ago, and at first I was a little apprehensive because I'm not really used to it. You know, men aren't, like you said, it's a manly thing is not common now these days, but now guys do want to look good. And I had, you know, wrinkles, and once you get it applied, within 24 hours you start noticing. I do. And it's like 3 to 4 months, depending on what your lifestyle is. But
yeah. So go ahead. I'm sorry. I
really enjoy it, having it. It peps you up, makes you feel a little younger, look great. I'll keep doing it. I enjoy it.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So one nice thing about Brotox and Botox, so for ladies or men, when you're injecting it, as you inject it over the years, you're actually anti-aging the skin. That's been proven in skin biopsies. So as we inject these hyperactive, tense muscles that are over rigid and they become hypertrophied or larger than normal, as we Botox them over time, the hypertrophy or oversized muscles actually calm down into their more youthful look, so that you actually are getting an anti-aging over the years, so that if you stopped, you wouldn't go back 20 years into that harsh look. You'd actually get a gift that keeps on giving. Eventually you'd need some more, or you would subtly age. But the good work that you've done at any point, you don't lose. All right, so we're going to begin. So the difference when we're doing a man versus a lady, my glasses over here on we don't want to feminize the brow, so I inject a little bit different than I would on a female. So I'm going to come here first into the glabella or the frown muscles. Go ahead and make a mad face, Paul. Okay. So we're going to really soften this brow, because that's something that can age anyone and make them look mad or angry even when they're not mad, because of that double 11 lines that form over time. I'm going to come in now to the crow's feet, or the lines around the eyes. Go ahead and smile. Yeah. So when I do a man, I make his skin very soft, but I don't go for a completely flat, feminine look, because that wouldn't look nice. But on a gentleman, if you just soften them and leave him with a little bit of an expression, it looks very youthful and young. Go ahead and smile for me again. Excellent. Okay, so now I'm going to come up to the forehead, but I'm going to be careful not to inject in such a way as to feminize and give a high brow look, which is something that unfortunately Jack Nicholson, the movie star, got. And so when you look at Jack, he's still a very handsome man, but he does look a little bit on the feminine side because they arched his eyebrows too much with plastic surgery and following Botox. But if that's to your liking, by all means do it. I just find that it's too feminine looking.
Well, he did play the Joker.
He did, yeah. He did play the Joker. So, Paul, are you in a lot of pain right now?
No.
Awesome. When you're doing a male subject, you will wind up using a little bit more Botox. actually substantially more than you would in a female, because a male's musculature in their face, or really anywhere in their body, has more beta cells, meaning more dense. So those muscles take more of the Botox relaxant to calm them down. A lot of men want to know how long Botox lasts. Well, it doesn't just fall off of your face. It very subtly erases itself over time, usually 3 to 6 months, depending on the client. Okay, go ahead and raise your eyebrows. Very good. And for the men out there that might be getting a little squeamish, we're using a teeny tiny needle. Just about the size of a diabetic needle, and if you know anything about, I mean, it's just way less than a mosquito bite. So if you're using 32 or 33 gauge needles and not something like a big hardcore 28 or 27 needle, you're really not going to feel much. So we're finished with this wonderful man's Botox, and he's going to continue to look better over the next 3 to 7 days. Initially, you get a big poof where you can immediately see some softening, but over the next week, it's just going to be dramatic, and it's going to look great for the next 3 to 6 months. So thank you so much, Paul, for letting us demonstrate for you tonight, and we appreciate it. I'm Dr. Burkenstock. As always, it's a pleasure talking with you, and we'll see you next Tuesday. We'll be talking about male hormones. Thank you.